Hello, welcome to my channel Story English Plus. Shadowing is a powerful tool to improve spoken English. It means listening to English audio and repeating it immediately. This video focuses on shadowing conversations in public transport. Think of bus stops, ticket counters, subway stations. These are real-life situations every traveler experiences. Learning these conversations prepares you for real interaction. You'll hear common phrases like, "Is this seat taken?" Or, "Where can I buy a ticket?" Shadowing teaches you natural pronunciation and tone. You'll also learn intonation and rhythm. Public transport scenes use polite and short questions. That's perfect for learners to start with. You'll listen to both sides of a conversation. Then repeat the phrases with confidence. Example, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the airport?" Learn how to ask for directions politely. Learn how to understand native replies. It builds your listening comprehension. Shadowing helps improve memory. You'll start thinking in English. This topic gives you travel-related vocabulary. Words like transfer, platform, next stop. You'll hear announcements like, "Mind the gap." These are useful in real life. Imagine being on a London subway. You understand the announcement easily. You feel more confident speaking. This practice reduces anxiety. You already know what to say. You sound more natural. Learn expressions like, "How much is the fare?" and "I need a return ticket." Use polite expressions like, "Could you please help me?" Shadowing also teaches body language awareness. You learn how English sounds in public spaces. Many learners study grammar only. But spoken English needs listening too. That's where shadowing helps. You copy real voices, not robotic audio. You hear emotion, tone, stress, and copy it naturally. Repetition improves fluency. You also learn sentence patterns. You become faster in replying. Even if you're shy, shadowing builds confidence. You can shadow alone daily. All you need is audio and time. Start with 10 minutes a day. Public transport is a common topic in exams too. IELTS or TOEFL often include it. So it helps with test prep. You'll learn how to give clear answers. Like, "I usually take the bus to work." Or, "I prefer the train because it's faster." You'll understand travel dialogues better. Practice with subtitles, then without. Try shadowing conversations slowly first. Then increase speed. Copy emotion and pause naturally. Use headphones to hear clearly. Stand up and repeat with energy. This improves pronunciation. Use a mirror for mouth movement. Public transport English is short and practical. Good for real conversations. Shadowing saves you from embarrassment. You'll know what to say at the right time. After a few weeks, you'll feel fluent. Try shadowing at night before sleep. Or in the morning for practice. Record yourself and compare. See the progress over time. This habit makes you a confident speaker. Combine this with reading graded readers. Use public transport audio clips on YouTube. Practice them again and again. With shadowing, English becomes second nature. Public transport English is your first step. So hop on and speak like a native.